Lenovo IdeaPad 3. 15IIL05 15.6 HD Core i3. Intel Core i3-1005G1 1.20 GHz processor. 15.6 inches HDTN 220 nits anti-glare. 4 GB DDR4-2666 memory. 1 TB 2.5 inches SATA HDD. The IdeaPad 3 is priced as an everyday use laptop, but engineered as something much more. 10th Gen Intel Core processing, as well as powerful memory and storage options, means this PC delivers beyond expectations. Bonus: the numeric keypad will speed up your productivity. One X USB 2.0, 2X USB 3.2 Gen 1, 1X HDMI 1.4b. One X headphone, microphone combo jack, 3.5mm. One X card reader. Narrow bezels on two sides make the most of the 15.6 IdeaPad 3's up to FHD display, and give the laptop itself a clean, contemporary look. Dual speakers with Dolby Audio optimized sound, so you'll love what you hear as well as what you see. Camera 720p with privacy shutter.